Welcome back to my tutorial about Twitter. Last time we set up our account and today I have a lot to show you. So let's get into the video. Hi, I am Pixelpia, a teacher with 30 plus years experience from Sweden and US. And if you missed part 1, I will link it up in the info card and in the description. Today I have a lot to look at, and although I am working on the computer, I will add some screenshots and maybe some videos from my Android phone for you to see where you find the things I am talking about on mobile. So let's move over to the computer. So here we are back at the Twitter account I created in my last tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do today is to add some accounts that I want to follow. So I go to Explore, and this is on the computer. I will insert some screenshots from my phone to show where you can find these on the mobile device. On an Android at least. It might look a little bit different on an iPhone or an iPad, but I go to Explore, and here I have some channels suggested to me. We have news accounts, different news accounts, sport accounts, fun accounts, and entertainment. We can also search if we want something specific. To the right here you can see who to follow, and they suggest a couple of accounts that I can follow. Now let's start looking how to tweet. As I said in my last tutorial, you can only tweet 140 characters. But here I'm gonna copy the text from my blog and paste it in here. As you can see where the red starts here, these are the number of characters I have too many. So let me mark that, copy and cut it out. If I still want to have more text here, I can add the little plus sign and the plus again and paste in the rest of the text. I can add another one if I want to, and to get all this text in I need to do 4, and then I hit tweet. The advantage of using that little plus sign is that all 4 tweets are showing up one after another. If I write them one at a time, someone might have a tweet coming in between these tweets, but by using the tweet sign they will all show up as a first tweet and then 3 comments to them. That way I can make sure that my tweets are linked together if I need to use more than 140 characters. I can also insert a photo in my tweet just by clicking this little photo symbol and pick my photo. I can also insert a video, but it has to be a very short one. That's 58 seconds. That is acceptable. I can add 512 megabytes or 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I can also create a poll by using this little symbol here, the poll symbol. What is your favorite day? And let's put Monday. And let's add one more, Friday. And I can set the length of the poll in days, hours or minutes. This is how it looks on my side. This is how it looks on the people that follow me, their side. So let me put vote for Friday here, and let's go to my profile page where I can see all my tweets. I can see tweets and replies. I can see my media I have put up, and I can see what I have liked. So let's look at tweets here. So now I can see that 100%, one vote, 100% has voted Friday. Here I have the video, and if I want to watch it in full format, I can click the little arrow here. Here I have the photo I inserted, and here is the tweet I did in several parts. And there is one more thing I can insert, and that is a GIF or a GIF. If I click that, I get some already suggested. If I want to say OMG, I can click on the OMG, and I get a lot of GIFs to choose from here. There we go. I can also search for a GIF. Let's search for hungry, because that is what I am right now. Here we go. And that is a really rumbling stomach. Here we have a tweet from Artzilla Aisha. We can interact with this tweet in several ways. The little arrow up here, we can say that we are not interested in this. We can embed the tweet. And this just takes us to a new website where we can copy the code to insert in. For example, if we have a blog and we want to insert it there, we can unfollow Artzilla, we can mute her, we can block her, and we can report a tweet. I can also reply to this tweet by just adding a smiley, for example. And if I now click on her original tweet here, I will see all replies down here. I can also retweet her tweet, either by itself or retweet it with a comment. I agree. Let's go quickly to my profile to see. Here is my retweeted tweet, I agree. And the tweet she had will show up in my comment. I can also show her that I like this, and the final one is to send it as a direct message to someone, add the tweet to bookmarks, or copy the link to the tweet. Let's add this to bookmarks and get over to the bookmarks. Here are things I have bookmarked. It can be tweets that maybe contain a URL that I would like to keep in a place where I can easily find it. Or it can be, for example, a tweet that I want to reply to, but I need to think about how I'm going to write my reply. Or tweets for any reason that I will be able to easily find. So while we are here, let's look at the other things we have. Notifications. You see I have a little number there. This is a notification because this person followed me. I can, by holding my pointer over here, I can choose to follow this person, or by clicking the name I can go to their account to see what's going on here. Messages. This is where I can direct message for a person. If I hit new message, Pixelpia Live, here shows her, go to next, write my little message directly to her. She will be the only one that can read this message. Let's go to lists. I have 2 lists, but we are going to create a new list today. Test list. Test. Next. And I want to add Pixelpia Teaching and Learning to this list. What happens here is that everything Pixelpia Teaching and Learning has tweeted or replied to or anything else ends up in this list. This is very good if you have a work group of people, you have a work account, you can add members, and all your tweets will be collected in that one list. This is where I'm gonna stop the work on my computer today. Let's get back to the video. That was a lot of information, and I hope it was all clear to you. And we have more to come, so there will be a third episode of this tutorial. What I didn't talk about today was moments, Twitter ads, and Twitter analytics. And I also want to show you how to use several Twitter accounts without having to log out between accounts. If this sounds like something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications on. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with someone. Until next time, don't forget, never stop learning. Goodbye.